We're headed to get some lunch from some place called Splash. We are off onto another adventure today. We're headed to get some lunch from some place called Splash. We ain't never been here before. We just looked it up on Google. And so we said, well, I guess we go to Splash. Okay, beautiful. Some place called Splash. We're on our way to go splash and splash. Hola. Oh, that's the spot they working. We don't want them over there. Now it's got to be down here toward the end if I had to guess. Oh, look at that yacht right there. All right, we done made it to Splash. And they have cocktails. They have guacamole. Mexican style fish sticks, they have those. I'm actually recording this live on my camera, so you guys say hello to YouTube. This is the Splash Tropical. It look a little egg whitey to me. But Kendria says it's real good, so.
It reminds you of the mezcal.
Does it? Let me see.
The mezcalita.
This got to be mezcal in here.
Yeah.
It's got to be mezcal. Yeah, this is delicious.
That is good.
Cheers. Bow your head and say grace. This is something red.
With some tamarind.
I just said tamarind. I'm making my mess. Let me see if I like them.
Okay. Thank you.
What you want me?
Tamarind.
Okay, this we don't know what this is either. This is a habanero. Let me see if it's hot.
It looks like that.
It do kind of, don't it? Okay, this spicy as shit.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna tell you something. It ain't the same. This good. This is the hot, spicy habanero, but it's tasty.
Something.
Okay, see what I'm saying? Okay, it's hot, but flavor-wise, it's the best thing smoking on the table.
It is.
Okay,
It
literally.
is. No, it is good. It's
over.
hot, but it's good.
It's hot, but it's good. All right. I need a special.
You need to hook that up.
All right, we're gonna try the special. This is the Pico de Gallo Especial. Okay, so the Pico de Gallo Special is a chip with some fresh pico de gallo.
No, that is good.
Okay, fresh pico. We do a squeeze of lime. And then we do some habanero. And some chipotle mayo.
We need to fill this up.
Okay, chipotle mayo. All right. Here we go.
Tell me the Lord ain't there. Tell me Jehovah is not present. I know it. Tell me Jehovah does not reside in the pico in the special food.
I don't even eat lunch. I eat a bowl of that. Huh? The boyfriend of mine is at home. I wish he was there, waiting on me. Okay, you have no idea. I'm out here all by myself. Okay.
Can you fill this up, please?
Right, we on her yacht, because I don't have one. You understand me? Y'all, why we keep eating? We finna be full.
Oh, ain't got damn bit of food.
Shit. Okay, fresh pico is always a vibe, isn't it?
Always.
Don't you love it? It's like so simple, so easy, but yet so tasty. Okay, it's just tomato, onion, cilantro, lime. But it's so good. Do you prefer Puerto Vallarta or Cancun? I'm gonna venture to say my number one is Playa del Carmen. My second drink, it's a tropical splash, but it's made with Malibu rum. Kendria.
You think that's better than the mezcal?
Kendria!
Don't say that. I like the mezcal.
Sir, hello. Can I get one more for her?
Okay.
Yeah.
You think it's better than the mezcal?
I don't think. I want y'all to see her reaction when she take the first sip of this.
I like the mezcal.
I want you to see her reaction. Uh-huh. Now, what were you saying? You like what?
Okay, that's real good.
Okay, okay. What I'm trying to tell you.
No, that's real good.
Okay, it's like a popsicle.
Oh, yeah, that's real good too.
That's delicious, isn't it?
Yeah, see, I'll keep drinking these.
Well, I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell y'all. Oh, what's that?
This is aguachile tatemado.
That's you. That's you. Something,
Oh.
something you don't order.
I ain't gonna be able to eat that.
Yeah, because that ain't cooked.
They good? Girl! What's that? That's hard.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't even know what this is. I forgot what this was. These are fries.
That's the shrimp sabute.
That's the, what's this?
The puff Yucatan. That's the, frito pescado.
Nah, I didn't order that.
I know I ordered one.
Okay, all right. I'm about to say, okay.
That's okay.
But these here, baby, these, we can eat these by
I
them.
told
Shit.
you.
Baby, these fries,
I told you, I don't know where they get their, I don't know where these potatoes come from.
oh, they're good and they're so salty. It's delicious. I don't know what this is. Some with pickle, onion, and avocado. And some good. That's delicious.
I can't do
What is
I
this?
can't do it. That's too much. Yeah, much food. Deep.
What is this? Oh, this is delicious.
That's the puff Yucatan.
What's this?
Salbute, it has shrimp and octopus.
Shrimp and octopus.
Yes.
It's good, girl.
You like it?
It's delicious.
That's good. You like everything?
So far, so good. Should've told the octopus on.
I'm looking for them.
Shrimp and
I
octopus.
see it. And I told him I ain't want none of mine.
They must put this on the grill or something. Barbecue this or something.
It's good. Yeah, these potatoes from Garden of Gethsemane. That ain't fish, is it?
Okay, I don't know what this is. Okay. I don't know what this is, but this how it look. Okay, this how it look, and I'm finna see how it taste. Good.
You know what? This is our freshie fish spot.
This fish.
I ordered fish tacos.
It was about 2 of them.
Must be.
This fish. Tell him make you one of these.
All right.
Okay. Well, I'm good. All right. There you go. Splash, tropical splash. If you're ever in Puerto Vallarta, come get some food. I'm gonna show you what's left. It ain't really much here on the table, but you can see how much we're eating. Okay.